Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to access an item of a tuple. Tuples use zero-based indexing, where 0 is the index of the first item and len of tuple minus 1 is the index of the last item. Any item of a tuple can be accessed using the index operator denoted by square brackets. For example, let us assign a tuple containing items string t, integer 4, float 9.0 and boolean true to a variable t. Now, t of 0 will access and return the first item of the tuple, that is string t. Similarly, executing t of 2 will return the third item of the tuple, that is floating point number 9.0. Now, if we execute t of 4, it raises an index error as the specified index 4 is out of range. As the length of the tuple is 4, the valid range of index is 0 to 3. Just like list, tuple supports negative indexing, that is, you can access the values of tuple from the end. Index of minus 1 denotes the last item in the tuple, minus 2 the second last item, and so on and so forth. For example, let us assign a tuple containing items string t, integer 4, float 9.0 and boolean true to a variable t. T of minus 1 returns the last item of the tuple, that is boolean true. T of minus 3 returns the third item from the right, that is integer 4. T of minus 5 raises an index error as minimum valid negative index is minus 4 as the length of the tuple is 4. The length of a tuple can be obtained using the built-in len function, which can be used to determine the upper bound of the index. For example, let us assign a tuple containing items string t, integer 4, float 9.0 and boolean true to a variable t. On executing ln equal to len of t, the length of tuple t is stored in variable ln. Now, t of ln minus 1 returns true as ln minus 1 is the index position of the last item.